tucked quietly into the desert landscape of Tucson. This small 750-square-foot retreat doesn't try to stand out. In fact, it does the opposite. Designed by HK Associates, Casita Obscura is conceived as something that almost disappears into its surroundings. At first glance, it reads as a simple, dark volume. But the closer you get, the more it begins to reveal itself, almost like a hidden lens quietly framing the desert beyond. This project is actually part of a larger transformation of an existing mid-century home, where the architects were asked to create a detached guest house, something private, intimate, and completely different in experience from the main residence. While the original house opens up with glass and expansive views, this casita takes a more inward and focused approach, offering a contrasting way of engaging with the same landscape. The concept draws from the idea of a camera obscura, or a dark chamber, an optical device that captures light through carefully controlled openings, and that idea becomes the core of the architecture here. Instead of wide, uninterrupted glazing, the building is composed of 3 distinct rooms, each one designed to frame a very specific view of the desert, almost like a curated photograph. Inside, the layout is deliberately simple but incredibly intentional. There's a space for sleeping, a space for living, and a space for bathing, and each one connects to the outside in its own unique way. The bedroom looks toward the desert foothills and the Catalina Mountains, creating a sense of quiet intimacy. The living area frames a distant view of the city and the Santa Rita Mountains. And then there's the bathroom, where a triangular skylight opens directly to the sky, turning a daily routine into something almost meditative. From the outside, the building is wrapped in dark gray cement board panels, a material choice that allows it to blend into the shifting shadows of the Sonoran desert. The form is low and understated, with a roof that slopes away from the main house, subtly directing attention back toward the original structure while maintaining the privacy of the retreat. Even the entrance is understated, marked only by a single, deep opening that becomes visible as you approach. Step inside, and the atmosphere shifts completely. The interior is bright, minimal, and almost gallery-like, with white walls and clean lines that amplify natural light. This contrast between the dark exterior and the luminous interior creates a powerful spatial experience, where the architecture itself fades into the background, allowing light, shadow, and framed views to take center stage. In the end, Casita Obscura isn't about size or complexity, it's about precision. Every opening, every proportion, and every material choice is carefully calibrated to deepen the connection between architecture and landscape. It becomes less of a building and more of an instrument, quietly capturing moments of the desert and turning them into something you can live inside.